'cause I don't give up. I'll do what it takes. I know I don't like to fight, but if I have to, I'll do it to get my way. Yeah, I'll do it to get my way. Every step, every place, everywhere, every day. Every step, every place, everywhere, every day.
Hey, Wubbles, you want to do me a favor? Yeah, sure, why not? You want to announce the show this morning? Yeah, I can do that. You want me to do it in a Ojibwe language? Yeah, why don't you give it a try? Okay, hold on. All right. Hey, Anamush not away. Is that a dog? Again, sir, I have a name. My name is Anamush. While it is true that my name does mean dog, I'd appreciate it if you would use my regular nomenclature, as they say. Yeah, I'm just pulling your leg there, dog. I mean, Anamush. All right, you ready to tape this thing? Oh yeah, just give me a minute here. All right, rolling in 3, 2. Hey, Boozhoo Gakina. Neiman Wayndam Giwawa Bamdan. Wabuz Nindijanakas. And you're watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo. Ikadom Boozhoo. Iji Nana Boozhoo. How's that? Hey, not too bad. Let's keep that. Hey, Boozhoo ni Janashanabe Dog. I'm happy to see you today. And today, our Ojibwe word of the day, Gakina. Everyone. You know, when I look around this room, I see Gakina that I Zakain that I love. I see everyone that I love. And you know what? I can see right through your computer too. And Gizagain to all the viewers of Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo. I love you too. And yeah, I don't know. I didn't really think this show out, but Gakina. Everyone, Gakina. If you only learn that word today, then that's good enough. Gakina. All right. Hey, anyone got any news or anything they want to add before I wrap up this show? Not here, boss. How about you, Mamengwa? Oh, I don't know. I got nothing to say. You just, I'm too shy. Yeah, you always say that. Okay, well, hey, you have been watching Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe. You know what? That's just not enough for a show. All right, well, let's add a song. Here's a song that to add to the show to make it seem more like a show. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Natasha.
I'll cross your rainbow, I'll cross your street. I will swim your river just to meet. I will cross your rainbow, I will cross your street. I will swim your river just to meet. I will cross your rainbow, I will cross your street. I will swim your river just to meet.
I will see you again. Giga waba min minawa hoa. All right then. What do you guys want to do now?